So do you want to make your videos you post get blurry background like this one right here? I got you. First, you need to get CapCut, and when you get CapCut, what you need to do is you need to pick a video which is having a normal background right here. You can see this video has a normal background. It's not blurry like the one I showed you guys. And what you're going to do is you're just going to tap on effects right here, and when you tap on effects, you're going to tap on video effects, and that is pretty much very cool. So you're going to tap on basic right here, and you tap on blur, and then you're going to tune it to how you feel like you want it to be. And then when you are done, you come to this side, and then you tap on this, and then you're going to drag it to the end right here of the video. In case you want the video to be blurred throughout, you can just drag it to the end. What you're going to do next is you're going to go back, and then you're going to tap on overlay right here, and then you tap on overlay, and you import the same video you import, and then you're going to drag it to the beginning of whatever video you have right here, and that is pretty much very cool. So after you have dragged the overlay to the beginning of the video, what you're going to do next is you're going to tap on the overlay video, the video under it. You're going to tap on it, and then you're going to scroll down here, and then you look for cutout right here. You tap on cutout, and then you're going to look for remove background right here, and then you tap on remove background, and it's actually going to remove the background of this video right here. So after it's done removing the background, you are going to get your video in a blur mode like this one right here. You can see, so our video is actually going to be a blur video like we want, and that is pretty much very cool. So after you are done with this, you can just move forward to just import your video right here. You're going to import your video, and you are good. So if this video was very helpful, just like it up, and also follow for more. And in case you want to know any trick, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm just going to share with you. Share this video with your friends too, and without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next one. Peace.